Hey there everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Now let me take this chance to thank you. I have been checking my YouTube analytics in the past days and I was really shocked that one video reached 55,000 views. and I know I haven't been posting here in YouTube regularly. I would like to thank you still for watching my videos and also for really tuning in my posts even in Facebook and in Instagram. Know that in every email that I receive or in every DM in Instagram that I receive thanking me for your videos or even your comments in the YouTube section really warms my heart, and perhaps it gives me really that extra push to create more videos. Now, if you're new here in my channel, my name is Faye and I talk about coffee and the business behind coffee. So if you're interested with that, I would like to ask for a favor for you to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for my upcoming videos. Now, this video is basically sharing to you about a challenge that I gave myself specifically for YouTube. So I gave myself this 15-week challenge of posting here in YouTube talking about my newest coffee business startup. I'm gonna be sharing to you the behind the scenes about it. So I'm sharing this so that I could also be held accountable of this challenge, and I really opt to share it to you, specifically the behind the scenes, the why of the business, so that it would also ignite that spark in you in case you want to create your own coffee business. Aside from the tips, you would actually hear from me the behind the scenes. I hope that my sharings of the behind the scenes would also inspire you and help you in making your dream business happen. So join me in this challenge, 15-week challenge. That's a total of 30 videos talking about my new coffee business startup. So if you haven't yet, I hope you click subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for my upcoming videos. So for this video, I'm gonna be basically telling you what this coffee business startup is and what's the reason behind this one, why I created this brand. Now, since 2021, I've been doing coffee business trainings, no, and I have seen my students, both online and face-to-face, start their own coffee business from scratch. In the Philippines particularly, I believe you have seen the growth of small coffee businesses. But here's the thing. Since I visited a coffee farm in 2022 together with my coffee business students, so we visited this coffee farm in Amadeo, Cavite, and we were really able to see how our coffee beans are being sorted manually. I have also learned that it's not that easy to maintain a coffee farm, and also it's not that easy to be able to really create and harvest the same exact coffee from your previous harvest. So it takes a lot of time, money, and effort, both on the coffee farm owners and also on the coffee farmers and also on the roasters. So within me, it has ignited that vision to create or to make Philippines or to create that coffee culture here in the Philippines, particularly people appreciating drinking bean to cup coffee. Now in the Philippines, there are already coffee shops serving bean to cup coffee. However, there is a price barrier. So most of the coffee shops really brewing straight from the beans or using espresso machine or perhaps manual brewing, when they really grind the beans, usually prices range from at least 100 pesos. And then here comes the cheaper coffee shops serving iced coffee, but when we look at their process, they're not actually serving bean to cup coffee, meaning the coffee that they are serving is not being brewed straight from the beans during that particular order. So there came in that question within me. Is really bean to cup coffee that expensive talaga to serve at 100 for you to be able to serve a coffee that is really brewed straight from the beans the moment you order? My question then was that, is there a way that we could offer affordable bean to cup coffee and making it accessible even to the rural areas, so to every city and municipality? Should it really be at 100 plus? Well, big coffee shops are charging it at 100 plus, even 200, because of course they have huge overhead. However, if you've been following me here in YouTube, I have always been discussing and always advocating about small coffee business. And the secret to a small but profitable coffee business is very simple: maintain to operate small but sell big. And then the answer to that question, to that curiosity, and to that vision of having coffee culture here in the Philippines, now after visiting our Southeast Asian neighbors, they're actually offering those cheaper coffees, but when you see their small coffee shops, they're brewing it straight from the beans. They're using even espresso machine. So the answer to that question led me to creating Coffee Postal. And yes, you're able to do that. You're able to create a recipe that would still serve bean to cup coffee at an affordable price, and the coffee shop would still be profitable. And our aim here at Coffee Postal, here is our mission: to have at least one store in every city and municipality, making affordable coffee more accessible. So currently, as of speaking and as of posting this video, we already have more or less more than 10 partners coming in. We even have stores already open. And for the Coffee Postal, that's why it's called Coffee Postal. I'm going to be sharing to you also in the next video all about our theme. We would be naming every store under its zip code or postal code. So for example, our Coffee Postal store in Tagbilaran, it's called Coffee Postal code 6300. And we are looking for more partners that would share with us in this mission of creating affordable bean to cup coffee process accessible to every city and municipality nationwide. If you want to join and if you believe in this mission, I invite you to check in the link in the description box. There is a link there to register as an interest form, after which I would really be contacting you. So I have this commitment to really choose our first 100 partners. So it would be me who would directly contact you. So if you want to work with me and if you believe in the bean to cup process, making it affordable here in the Philippines to every Filipino, I invite you to fill out the interest form below. And in my next video about Coffee Postal, I'm going to be sharing you more about our theme and our coffee business concept. And I'll see you in that next video.